So, hi all of you. My name is Sonali Bodke and I am an intern student at Avishkar Tech Solutions Private Limited. As part of the data science project and course at Avishkar, I developed an application with the name Heart Disease Prediction, which gives you the status of a patient's heart in terms of whether it is in good condition or bad condition, or whether the person is having a heart disease or not. So there are few of the parameters. The two things which you need to do for implementing this project is you have to build a machine learning model, create a pickle file for this machine learning model, and the second step is to deploy this project using Django, HTML, and CSS. So the machine learning model is implemented in Python. As you can see, I have imported the data set, then I have done the data exploration and checked various parameters and things related to the data. And after that, I have created 3 machine learning models. The best efficiency I got in terms of logistic regression, and so I have built a pickle file for logistic regression. After this, you need to go to the deployment phase. So you can use any of the text editors like VS Code, Sublime, or Atom, and create your project directory and implement the deployment code. So in your project directory, you need to have your project folder, your project app, and 3 more folders: static, template, and media. Your media is a part of your project folder, right? And there are few files which you need to modify, like settings.py, urls.py. Then in this views.py, in static you need to create the style.css for the view, and the template has the HTML code for designing the web-based application. You also need to import the pickle file into the static folder. After completing all these implementations, you can run your code through the command prompt or the Anaconda prompt, and this is what you will get after implementing the HTML code. So if you don't use the style.css, this is how you get your screen. If you style it, then you get it in this manner. So as you can see, I have inputted various details and the status of the existence of heart disease. For the given input, I got it as yes. So this is how you will deploy your project. I thank the trainers of data science course for the knowledge that they have shared during this course, because of which I was able to complete the project. I also thank the management team of Avishkar for their continuous efforts, and Sunil sir, Sushma madam, and Prachi ma'am for their unconditional support. If you want to be or good in data science or improve your skills regarding data science and become a perfectionist, I would recommend you to join this internship program at Avishkar.